Hi, my name's Tony. Welcome to my channel. What my channel is about is a senior citizen who lives on his own after many years of marriage and the trials and tribulations that comes with that. You know, such as living on a fixed income, having to live on a budget, not being able to do the things like you used to do. But it also means finding new goals, going on a new journey, finding joy in new things that you do. How to avoid depression, which is what happens to a lot of guys our age when we all of a sudden become single again after many years. So what you won't find on here is anything flashy and spectacular, and my videography kind of sucks, and I don't write scripts, and so you'll get what you get, but it'll be honest. You know, you won't see me putting down the camera and walking away to come back and pick it up. Things like that you see on a lot of sailing channels and channels with seniors. And you won't get made up shots, and you won't get the same things that you see on every other sailing channel or every other senior channel, because the journey that I'm taking I feel is unique. Why am I doing it? It gives me something to do. I enjoy it. I've been taking videos of my progress for about 1.5 years now, and finally just started getting them uploaded. So please, click on the video. If you enjoy it, if you enjoy the channel, like and subscribe. Put comments in, because I do like to answer all the comments that I get. So come along.